Nigga, this is about to be a bomb.
Like, how do you get rid of a bird? Like, all seriousness, like, this is literally a bird. Let me see if I can show y'all actually, so y'all don't think I'm just sitting here lying with y'all. Look, hold on. Usually I gotta push it or something. Hold on. You see? Look.
Yeah, you feel the vibe. Better press like and subscribe. Steady on the grind. Million plus we on the rise. YBC, we in this thing to entertain your every need. So shout out to friends and family and Rose and J. Yeah, we killing it.
Yeah, welcome to the show. I hope you feel it. Sit back and watch the subs reach a million. Watch what I do for entertainment. Watch what I do for your amazement. Can't contain it. Hit the like button. Make a nigga day and tell me how you love it. It really help us if you get to sub it. But all she trying to do is get to.
Good morning, y'all. So I'm at A-Road's crib, right? And it's like, let's keep in mind, it's like 7:45, 7:30 in the morning. After a long night, I haven't been to sleep. And we got a little bit of a problem. Okay. So there's a bird. There's a bird that's in the garage.
Nigga, this is about to be a bomb.
Like, how do you get rid of a bird? Like, all seriousness, like, this is literally a bird. Let me see if I can show y'all actually, so y'all don't think I'm just sitting here lying with y'all. You see? Look.
You know, in the movies, when they bite this shit, they be like,
Really, nigga?
I don't know if that's gonna work, bro.
Really, nigga?
I don't know if we're supposed to be breathing it. I think it's gonna do more damage to us than the bird, actually.
number 2.
Throw it at him. You see? Bruh, you were not caustic in real life. Look, man, where is it? I really gotta cover my face. He's a...
You know what? Can you put this on top?
Oh, hold on. So y'all look, y'all see it?
Should we throw this over there, Adam?
Oh no.
Oh yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Gotta be getting to you.
Yeah.
I wish there was a way to roll this up top.
He feeling something. You want me to try to
Push it?
but how do you do that?
Just
Oh, you just clap it then roll it? I can see. I don't know if it's gonna work. I really feel like I'm in Apex right now.
niggas is real life caustics.
I don't know where it's at.
Come on, Robin. Oh shit, that nigga looked at me when I said that. Oh my god!
By far the worst idea. I thought it made it. For a second it made it.
That nigga threw that shit back at you. Oh my god.
We're at war with this bird, bro. We gotta figure this out.
Yeah, bro, we gonna figure it out.
You gonna throw it at it.
I really suck at throwing.
I wouldn't feel right throwing it. Okay. Olympics, I see. The form. Oh. Okay. I'm with you. Ooh. Ooh.
I ain't getting nowhere near that nigga.
And what's fucked up is it went straight into the laundry. I don't know what to do, bro. Both of my phones are in there. Both of my phones in there.
My whole game is in there,
Bro, you were in the middle of a game.
I was in smack dab in the
Bro, so I don't know what to do. Have y'all ever had a bird stuck in y'all garage? And if you have, comment down below what you did to get it out.
This is crazy.
Yeah, like,
This is on a whole nother tip.
bro, we've been out here for 35 minutes, bro.
At least. At least we try to figure out. What the fuck are we going to do? What gets birds? Hey, come get your homie, dog.
Right. Twinkle, twinkle.
Really, nigga?
Fly your ass out. Fly your ass out. Yeah. Fly your ass out. Got the bird in the garage and its ass out. Ain't a car, it's a bird blast out. It's flying. Flat, blast out. Yeah.
What?
Hey, Rose and J. YBC ENT. We here to stay. Yeah. Let's keep in mind, I have not been to sleep in 24 hours.
What is going on?
I have officially hit the 24-hour mark of being awake. And this is how it's being spent. This is crazy. We're gonna figure this out. Alright, so we gotta protect the game. In TV, we can't do none of that. Okay, alright. Get your monkey ass over here, boy.
My throwing is so terrible. Bruh.
Were you trying to throw that at that man?
Yeah, get your ass out here, boy.
A few minutes later.
That's perfect wrong thing. That nigga looked at you and was like, oh, you gotta throw a lighter at me, nigga? A lighter, nigga? Okay.
The next morning.
That nigga was like, yeah, damn, okay, my niggas, what the fuck?
At this point, it might be easy to just grab our stuff.
And that's exactly what we did.